One. Now there are three. Yeah. Come on, little guys. Yes, hi there. You're very cute. Yes. You are a sweetie pie. Mmm. Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Yum. A little bit more room so I can get both of you. Yeah, hi. Oh, come on. There we go. Yeah, that cat's not going to acknowledge your presence. And then there are four. You have the little one with the sweet tooth. Have two in the bucket, seem to be attacking the, grapes. Yep, grapes. There's some hot dog bits in there too, because I don't got no peanuts. And a couple of dates. And there are 5 of them out there. Another one under the deck, so there's 2 hiding and 3 munching. Out early this evening. Yes, there's lots of food out there. You piss her off, you're going to get a nose full of claws there, little one. There's one little one that right down here. I'm not getting a good picture of because my camera's focusing on the dirty window instead of on the little fuzzy beast. Oh, there it goes. I don't want it to focus on the dirty window. I want it to focus on the little fuzzy beast. Yeah, hi. Hi there. You're very cute. Yes. Hi, guys. It's time to put a new tower of sticky up. And, oh, yes. Let's get you guys over there. Hi. My little furry friends at the water bucket. Yes. You're very cute too. Yes. Little one down here in front of me is nibbling on cereal and grapes that the kitty's knocked out of the bowl. Yes, you're very cute. Yeah. Yes. It's very early for raccoons, but that's okay. I don't mind. Oh, brought his cookie into the bucket. It's been pretty warm the last couple of days, so I wouldn't be surprised if they came because of the water. And decided to stop for a munch while they were at it. Very little ones. It's good to see you out this early. Yeah, you found a piece of hot dog in the water. Fishing for hot dogs. Yay! Yeah, now 3 on the deck and 1 in the water. And the one in the water is enjoying the hot dogs. Yes. Oh, you're a good little cooner. You're a cute little thing, aren't you? Yes, you are a sweet little thing. Yeah, look at that cute little face. Just look at that cute little face. You are adorable. You found the date. Oh. Switch. Found the date and dropped it on the ground. Oh well, someone will come back and eat it. Hi. Yes. You're very cute. to date, you may have it. Hi there, little one. Yes. You are a sweet little thing, too. Well, it looks like that's it for right now. Oh well. Thanks so much for watching. Like, subscribe, share, and I'll be back later. Bye-bye.